Hi, my name is Eric. I major in business administration. Today, I'm gonna talk about the first question. As for question A, cockpit personnel, because all jets, no matter they are large or small, they all require a pilot and co-pilot. As for belly cargo service requires no additional officers in the cockpit. Therefore, cockpit personnel is fixed cost. For question B, airport landing fees. Some airports charge landing fees by weight of the aircraft. Therefore, the airport landing fees are variable cost for this kind of airports, while others levy a fixed fee, regardless of weight. So, airport landing fees are fixed cost for this kind of airports. For question C, fuel. Since the larger the aircraft is, it will consume relatively more fuel. And also, those carrying heavier loads will consume relatively more fuel. So, obviously, fuel is variable cost.
Hi, my name is Ivan. I major in risk management and insurance. Today, I'm gonna talk about the second question. About question A. A skilled market is a competitive market. We know that price is given. Therefore, price equals average revenue equals marginal revenue. And profit is maximized when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. In other words, profit maximizing point is where price is equal to marginal cost. According to what I have mentioned above in the table 1, we can find the selling price is $339 per ounce, and the profit maximizing scale of production is 356,000 ounces in 2002. Marginal cost curve shifts to the left in 2003, where the selling price is $366 per ounce, and the profit maximizing scale of production is 314,000 ounces. Then, it shifts to the right in 2004, where the selling price is $391 per ounce, and the profit maximizing scale of production is 350,000 ounces. As for question B, it is not a mistake, because the short-run break-even price is at where marginal cost equals average variable cost. As long as the selling price is higher than average variable cost, it doesn't have to shut down. It makes sense to produce when the price is $366 per ounce, which is higher than the average variable cost, $246 per ounce. About question C. Short-run break-even price is where marginal cost equals average variable cost. As a result, short-run break-even price $284 per ounce for Boyanhulu gold mine is higher than Kalgoorlie gold mines, which is $234 per ounce. Long-run break-even price is where marginal cost equals average total cost. According to this, we can find long-run break-even price for Boyanhulu gold mine is $384 per ounce, which is also higher than long-run break-even price $278 per ounce for Kalgoorlie gold mine.
Hello, my name is Chloe. I major in business administration. Today, I'm going to talk about the third question. For question A, using table 2, we can calculate AVC at current quantity 1000 is 90. And the question says AVC is minimized at the current quantity level. So we draw a AVC curve like this. And we know that marginal cost curve will pass the minima of ABC curve. Then we add a marginal cost curve past 1090. Although we can find marginal revenue equals price equals 100 because it is in the competitive market. This point 1100 is the current Q and P, and we can see that marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost on the graph, which means if the firm produces one more Q, its gains from revenue will exceed the loss of cost, so the profit will increase. And according to economy principle we have learned, we know that the profit will be maximized when marginal cost equals marginal revenue, so the company isn't maximizing its profit. The company should increase their quantity to the point where marginal cost equals marginal revenue, so it can earn profit by producing additional QC minus 1000, which is more than the current situation. It can maximize profit at Q, where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. As for question B, we should draw a monopolist demand curve first. It illustrates that to sell more Q, a firm must reduce its P. Then we can find the marginal revenue curve, whose slope is twice steeper than demand curve. Using table 2, we can calculate ATC at current quantity 1000 is 100, and the question says ATC is minimized at current quantity level. So we can draw a ATC curve like this, and we know that marginal cost curve will pass the minimum of ATC curve. Then we add a marginal cost curve past 1100. This point 1100 is the current P and Q. There is no profit for the producer because customers' willingness to pay is equal to producer's average total cost, and we can see that marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue at current situation, which means the cost of producing the product exceeds the gains from revenue. And according to economy principle we have learned, we know that the profit will be maximized when marginal cost equals marginal revenue. So the company isn't maximizing its profit. The monopolist company should decrease the Q to QM, where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. The price will be determined by demand curve. Price will rise from 100 to PM, so it can receive profit in blue rectangle, which is more than the current situation, and it can maximize profit at producing QM, where marginal cost equals marginal revenue.
Hi, my name is Felicia. My major is accounting. Today I'm gonna talk about the fourth question. As for question A, the red line is the demand curve, the blue line is the marginal curve, and the green line is the marginal cost curve. The equation of the demand curve is negative A15x plus 4,000 equal to y. As a result, the price of the 3,000 quantity is 2,400. Total revenue minus total cost is the profit. We can calculate the profit under policies of uniform pricing is 2,400 multiplied 3,000 minus 800 multiplied 3,000, which is equal to 4.8 million. And the profit under policies complete price discrimination is 4,000 plus 800 multiplied 6,000 divided by 2 minus 800 multiplied 3,000, which is equal to 9.6 million. As for question B, because the demand curve is also equal to the marginal benefit curve, it should sell up to the quantity where the marginal cost intersect the demand curve. As a result, when Mercury implements complete price discrimination, it should sell up to the quantity where the marginal benefit equals Mercury's marginal cost. As for question C, the uniform pricing is total revenue C plus D plus F, 7.2 million, minus F, 2.4 million, which is equal to C plus D, 4.8 million. And the complete price discrimination is the total revenue, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H, 14.4 million, minus total cost, F plus G plus H, 4.8 million, which is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E, 9.6 million. As a result, the profit of the complete price discrimination is bigger than the uniform pricing.
Hi, my name is Betty. I major in international business. Today, I'm gonna talk about the fifth question, which is also the last one. As for question A, the table shows what the question illustrates. The red one is for Studio Luna, and the blue one is for Moonlight movies. And then, let's use the arrow technique to find the equilibrium. First, according to the statistics of Studio Luna, 200,000 is more than 150,000. 350,000 is more than 100,000. In that case, Studio Luna being released on December 11th may be a better choice. Using the same way, we can find that being released on December 11th is also a better choice for Moonlight movies. To sum up, the Nash equilibrium is 200,000 tickets for each, and both movies open on December 11th will be the best decision. As for question B, it says that each studio will sell 7,000 more tickets if both open on the same day. In other words, each box office will increase to 270,000 on December 11th and 170,000 on December 18th. And now, use the arrow technique again. First, according to the statistics of Studio Luna, 270,000 is more than 150,000. 350,000 is more than 170,000. In that case, Studio Luna be released on December 11th may be a better choice. So on and so forth. It is also better for Moonlight movies to do so on December 11th. By and large, the Nash equilibrium is selling 270,000 tickets for each, and both open on December 11th will be the best choice.
Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.